In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Evernote password. Keeping your passwords updated is an important step in securing your online accounts, and today we'll walk through this process on Evernote together. First things first, you'll need to sign into your account on Evernote Web. Simply open your preferred internet browser and head over to the Evernote website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. If you're already signed in, feel free to skip this part and proceed to the next step. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account info. This is where you'll find various settings related to your profile. From your Evernote dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for your account or profile icon. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Account Info. Click on this to proceed further. Within the Account Info section, you'll want to focus your attention on the area marked Security Summary. This section contains options and details related to the security settings of your Evernote account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's always good to know where security options are located within your accounts. Now, to change your password, you'll see an option that clearly states Change Password. Click on this, and you'll be guided to a new page or prompted to start the process for password updating. It's a straightforward action that leads to an important update step. This is where the core of the process happens. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This step helps verify your identity and ensures that it is indeed you making this change. Once you've entered your current password, you'll need to choose a new password. When creating a new password, consider making it strong and unique. Ideally, it should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like sequential numbers or common words. After you've entered your new password, you'll typically be asked to re-enter it for confirmation. This double check ensures that you haven't made any typos in your new password entry. After this, go ahead and click on Update. By doing this, you confirm that you want to update your password, and the system will save your new security credentials. You'll receive a confirmation once the change has been successfully made. And there you have it, a simple yet crucial step by step on how to change your Evernote password. Make it a habit to update your passwords regularly to keep your accounts safe. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay secure online.